Hey everyone, welcome back to the videos. Today I will be explaining line graphs. So basically what line graph means, I will first write down here what line graphs mean. So chapter 4.3 part 5. As you have already seen the previous videos where I have explained the bar charts, the compound bar charts and the pie charts. Now I will be explaining line graphs. So line graphs are some data that you can collect and changes with time. For example, an average temperature each month of the year and the number of cars each hour to supermarket car park in a supermarket car park, or the amount of money that is available in the bank account each week. So these are some of the example of line graphs. So for example, if we use example, we will be using depth of water in the garden pond and at each month. So over here I will be drawing the graph here: Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Now over here on left we will write the depth of water from 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 millimeters mm. And over here months. So we will draw, like in Jan it was 40 in February it was 20, in March it was 20, in April it was 30, then in May it was 10. So what we will do is like this, like this. So this is how we will be drawing the line graphs. Another example for the line graph which I will show you is by showing the temperature in each month, average temperature in each month. So what we will do is we will draw a line, and here it will be Jan, Feb, March and April, and over here it will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and last is 60. So now what we will do is, in Jan the temperature was 20, in February it was 30, and in March it was 30, and in April it was 10. So what will be the temperature line graph? It will be like this, straight, sorry. Okay, so it will be like this and like this. So this will be the line graph for the temperature from January till February. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will be sharing new videos in coming days. Thank you.